And today, drum roll. So today is not going to be about real estate. Today, I'm actually going to be unboxing a Gucci pouch that I purchased about a month ago. Well, it's been a few weeks, not quite a month, maybe about 2 weeks. It's been. I purchased this, and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. So stay tuned to watch me unbox it. It's gonna be super exciting. I mean, who wouldn't want to see me unbox a freaking Gucci pouch? Who cannot use a pouch? I mean, I love pouches. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so the pouch actually came in a box like this. And again, I got it directly from Gucci's website. I won't show you my address, but I got it directly from Gucci's website. They do require for you to sign for the package. So whenever you order something from their website directly, they require for you to sign. So yes, I had to sign for this. This is the box that it comes in. And this is, I already had opened it, but I did not open it, if that makes sense. So it comes with this. I'm going to put this down. It comes with this bag, a nice bag to hold, I don't know, maybe store it in. If I'm going to store it in my closet, I can store it in this bag. Obviously, it comes with this paper. So stuffing. They stuffed the out of this, guys. So it comes with the envelope. It has like Gucci printed on it. And let's see, I forgot how much I paid for this bag, but it was like $8 something. Has the return policy. What I need to do if I need to return it. It has thank you for shopping with us at Gucci. We hope that you enjoy your Gucci purse. Each item has been skillfully designed and made using the highest quality materials by Italian people. Please contact us if you have any questions. Blah, 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 blah. Okay? It comes with that. It comes with a return label. Because the return label, and a note that says you deserve it. Congratulations. So congratulations to me. I think I purchased it after I had my closing. So I was like, okay, girl, you looking at this pouch? You just closed on a house. You deserve it. Who else buys themselves? You deserve it gifts. Only me. So yes, this is all the wrapping it came in. Then it came in this. So I did not open this. I opened the box initially just to see how it looks. But this is going to be my first time seeing this. So I'm super excited. They wrapped it up. I think I've selected gift wrapping because it's free. So we're going to unwrap it and see what we have. So it has its ribbon. The ribbon have dropped. Okay. So I have another dust bag. So actually it comes inside of a dust bag. It actually comes with that too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a barcode. And it just has a picture of the bag that I ordered. Box is pretty sturdy. I don't know if you guys care for that, but the box is sturdy. So this is what it looks like. It has like lines going down it, but I love this box. I can actually keep it for like decorations in my closet. So it comes with the dust bag. It feels kind of smaller than what I anticipated. Oh, okay. But yes, it comes in this bag, and it has like the dust bag, and yeah. So let's see what we have. I thought it was going to be bigger. Oh, it also comes with this. Yeah, I don't know. Package saver, I guess. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. I love pouches, guys. I absolutely love a good pouch. So it has that material on the back of it because I feel like you can just grab it and go and just. Grr, my phone died while I was recording it. But I stopped where I was because I had some other stuff going on. I won an offer tonight. So, woohoo! More bags for me. I'm so excited about that. I won, my buyers and me won an offer on a contract. So they're going to be buying a house within the next 4 weeks. Yay. Okay, so where were we? So, I love a good pouch because I feel like you can just grab and go. Yes, I love a pouch. So it comes with this right here. It has that heart shape on the back with the chevron print. It has the Gucci in the front. So we're gonna open it. Really, we're gonna open it and inspect the inside. There's more. They're very thorough with their packaging. Let's just say that. They're very thorough with their packaging. So it comes with this. I don't know if that's the serial number or not, but it comes with that. In order to provide enhanced capability to certify product authenticity, and provide exceptional after-sales client support, this product is embedded with an RFID tag that contains the product's unique identification number. So I guess I don't know. This just says Gucci's responsibility. I don't know what's the purpose of it. I don't know. I guess this one is in a different language. Gucci products are manufactured by Italian artists. We carefully selected materials of the highest quality. Gucci guarantees both internally and along its supply chain that internationally recognized standards of social and blah, blah, blah. I don't feel like reading that. I can't talk today anyway. So it comes with that. It comes with this in the inside. This is just too much packaging in my opinion. I understand you want to but unless you're throwing something meaningful in there, it's just too much. It's too much. Okay, so when you look inside, it has like a velvet, nude color feeling or cloth in the inside. It has like this, a Gucci tag, and it just says Gucci made in Italy. So yes, this is the Gucci pouch. Now I have my Louis Vuitton toiletry. I believe it's the 26. It's been so long. It's been about 2 or 3 years since I purchased this. I got it from a mall. When we were living in Orlando, I got it from the mall called the Millennium Mall. So I brought this to compare it to this. And I actually need to get this one repaired from Louis Vuitton directly. I just haven't had the time to send it to him because I wear it so much. I'm just like, I love my pouches. And this is just supposed to be a toiletry bag. Like when you travel to put your toothbrush, things like that. And then I use it as a purse. I won't show you what's in it right now because it's very junky. But yes, compared to this, the Gucci bag is a little bit bigger to the Louis Vuitton toiletry. So it's a little bigger as far as width. The Gucci bag has more width, I believe. So yeah, that's how it compares. I also have my iPad. This is an iPad 10.5 inch, I think. Temple, I had that for about 3 years too, so I don't really no, it's dead. It won't turn on. But isn't this case so pretty? This case gives me life. I love anything animal print, and this one is just so pretty. So to put this in here, let's see if it'll fit. I don't want to okay, so it fits iPad 10.5, but I don't know if it's gonna zip. Let's see if it's a hard time zippering, so maybe it does not fit. It just fits just enough so that it stays open. But this pouch is super cute, super trendy. I don't see many people with Gucci pouches. I see them with oh my gosh, am I gonna be able to get this out? I'm such a daredevil, and oh my gosh. Okay, so yes, it fits this, but it can't close unless maybe I was just trying to be extra careful, because it's not as wide as that for sure. It's just the opening is what stops it. So this is a Gucci pouch. I'll leave the link to the site, Gucci site, to get this. I love this pouch. If you're going out for a night out at the bar, if you're going to the club, I don't know, if you're traveling, it's always good to have a little pouch. Who cannot use enough pouches? I don't know. I love pouches. I can't relate. Like, give me a pouch and I'm good. Even like a body bag. Next thing that I buy, I'll review it and I'll see how it is on me, how it fits on me and stuff like that. But this is just a pouch. Yeah, it's not that big. I don't know if you guys need to see any more. But this was fun. I'm definitely planning on doing more reviews like this. I'm bringing more ideas, more life, more everything to my channel, because I'm all of that. It's a lot to me than just real estate. So I have fun doing this review. I hope you guys have fun listening to me. And if you like this video and you want more, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Next thing I'll be doing is a try-on haul. So maybe that will be interesting. Okay, so this is the Gucci pouch, guys. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a good night. Bye.